LLC protect your personal assets? Yes. One of the biggest advantages of an LLC is that it creates a legal separation between your personal assets and your business liabilities. This means if your business is sued or falls into debt, creditors can only go after the LLC's assets, not your personal home, car, or savings. For example, if a customer slips and falls at your store and files a lawsuit, the claim would be against the LLC. Your personal bank account and property would generally remain safe as long as you've kept business and personal finances separate. However, this protection isn't absolute. If you mix personal and business funds, commit fraud, or personally guarantee a loan, courts can pierce the corporate veil and hold you personally liable. Proper record keeping and compliance are key to maintaining protection. Zen Business can help you set up and maintain your LLC so your personal assets stay protected. The link is in the description, and if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.